Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. As the days grow shorter and the air becomes crisp, it's time to transition your wardrobe into winter mode. But just because the temperatures are dropping doesn't mean your style has to cool down. In today's video, we are diving into the world of winter fashion, exploring some cozy, chic, and stylish winter fits that will keep you warm without sacrificing style. From layering essentials to statement outerwear, we will cover all the must haves to create the perfect winter wardrobe. Layering is the key to mastering winter fashion. Not only does it keep you warm, but it also adds depth and dimension to your outfits. Start with the basic foundation like a fitted turtleneck or a long sleeve thermal top. From there, you can layer on sweaters, cardigans, and vests to build your look. Don't be afraid to mix textures like wearing a chunky knit sweater with a sleek leather jacket. The beauty of layering is in the versatility it offers. You can easily adjust your outfit to the fluctuating winter temperatures by adding or removing layers as needed. Your outerwear is the first thing people see, so make it count. The winter opt for statement coats that only keep you warm but also elevate your look. A classic wool coat in a bold color like red or emerald green is a timeless choice that adds a pop of color to dreary winter days. For a more modern twist, consider a fox fur coat or a teddy coat, both of which offer a luxurious and cozy feel. If you prefer something edgier, a leather or fox leather jacket with the shirtling lining is perfect for chic urban look. Nothing says winter quite like cozy knitwear. This season, oversized sweaters are must have for any winter wardrobe. They are perfect for layering over leggings, or skinny jeans can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Cable knit sweaters in particular are the winter staple, offering both warmth and style. Pair you knitwear with a scarf and a beanie for a complete winter look. Don't forget about knitted dresses. They are a great option for a more polished yet comfortable outfit, especially when paired with knee-high boots and tights. Footwear is an essential part of any winter fit, and finding the right boots is crucial for both style and practicality. Ankle boots are versatile and can be worn with everything from jeans to dresses, while knee-high or over-the-knee boots offer more coverage and can make a statement. For a more rugged look, consider a pair of lace-up combat boots or chunky Chelsea boots, which are not only stylish but also provide good traction in icy conditions. To keep your feet extra warm, look for boots with a shirtling lining or pair them with the thick wool socks. Accessories are the finishing touches that pull your winter outfit together. A stylish hat like a wide brimmed fedora or a cozy beanie can add both warmth and personality to your look. Scarves are another winter essential. Opt for oversized blanket style scarves that you can wrap around yourself for extra warmth. Don't forget about gloves. Leather gloves are a classic choice that pairs well with any outfit. With knitted mittens, add a touch of whimsy. For a bit of luxury, consider cashmere accessories which are soft, warm, and timeless. A monochrome outfit is a chic and sophisticated choice for winter. Dressing in a single color from head to toe not only elongates your silhouette but also creates a streamlined, polished look. This winter, try an all white or all cream outfit for fresh, snowy feel. Pair a white turtleneck with white jeans or trousers and top it off with a matching coat. You can also go for darker tones like all black or all grey for a more dramatic, sleek look. Monochrome outfits are easy to put together and always look effortlessly stylish. Plaid and tartan prints are classic winter patterns that never go out of style, whether it's a plaid coat, a tartan scarf, or a checkered skirt. These prints add a festive and cozy touch to any outfit. For a modern twist, mix and match different plaids within the same color family, or pair a bold plaid piece with neutral basics to let the pattern stand out. Plaid prints are perfect for both casual and more formal winter looks, making them a versatile addition to your wardrobe. Winter is the perfect time to indulge in luxurious fabrics that add texture and depth to your outfit. Velvet, for instance, is a rich, elegant fabric that's perfect for holiday parties and evening events. Thank you so much for joining Luna Fashion and Beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and beauty tips. Stay stylish, stay fabulous. See you in the next video.